Hello, welcome to newcryptocoin.com. Want to do a quick video for you guys. Breaking news. Coinbase is now adding ERC20 support. This was on their blog, started earlier today. Wanted to share with you guys. This is good because, once again, this should legitimize the other coins and just shows that the big players in the space, Coinbase is obviously probably one of the largest players in the crypto space. They're preparing for crypto to grow. They're preparing for crypto to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And them supporting ERC20 tokens are a step in that direction. For those of you guys that are wondering what are ERC20 tokens, they are the tokens based on the Ethereum network. ERC is a technical standard used for Ethereum smart contracts. And I don't know if you guys use CoinMarketCap. Let me see if I can go there real quick. CoinMarketCap. If you click here on tokens, you can see the full list of ERC20 tokens or tokens that are available. The one that has the most value is EOS. EOS is an Ethereum token, which is funny because some people used to call EOS the Ethereum killer, but right now EOS is the Ethereum token. Tron, Tether, VeChain, and Icon are the top 5. Binance Coin and OMG are the top 7 ERC tokens out right now. So yeah, you definitely want to check out the Coinbase now that they're supporting the ERC token. So let me just read a little bit of this blog post to you. We're excited to announce our intention to support the Ethereum ERC20 technical standard for Coinbase in the coming months. This paves the way for supporting ERC20 assets across Coinbase products in the future. Though we aren't announcing support for any specific assets or features at this time, we are announcing this both internally and to the public as consistent with our process for adding new assets. ERC20 is a technical standard used for Ethereum smart contracts. ERC20 assets have become a popular way for teams to quickly build interoperable contracts and assets. More recently, our Ethereum wallet and Dapp browser Toshi added native support for ERC20. I've never used that browser, but yeah, it's interesting. So what does this mean? Well, ERC support means for their products, it means Coinbase custody. The custody team is evaluating a set of assets to support for deposits and withdrawals. Custody will likely support more assets than those available to trade on GDAX or Coinbase for the foreseeable future. This is big, this part here. GDAX. GDAX team will wait for additional regulatory clarity before we decide which ERC20 assets to support on GDAX. Support for ERC20 will also give us a path to enabling the safe recovery of customers' ERC20 assets inadvertently sent to GDAX Ethereum addresses. That's big because GDAX is big time. I think GDAX will probably be, if more institutional money comes in, that's probably be where it will come in through GDAX or Binance, one of those exchanges where you'll see a lot of institutional money coming. But in the U.S., it's definitely GDAX because they've already went through a lot of the regulatory requirements. So yeah, GDAX is definitely probably ready for institutional money. I'm telling you, all of these exchanges, everything, man, they're getting ready for more bigger institutional money. I'm assuming that what's going to happen is people like Fidelity, Mass Mutual, they're going to tell their clients to put 10% of their retirement in crypto, or put a little bit, 5%, 10% in crypto to get the growth. So they're going to move to crypto, and that's what's going to happen. They're going to move to crypto. Okay, so Coinbase, here's another thing. Coinbase asset management. Any asset listed on GDAX will be added to the Coinbase index on a market capitalization rated basis. Coinbase, per their previous guidance, Coinbase will only list assets after they are listed on GDAX. So that's big. Coinbase will only list assets after they're listed on GDAX. So imagine some of these ERC20 tokens. Imagine Tron on GDAX. VeChain on GDAX, Icon on GDAX, Binance, OMG, Amigo. Imagine some of these VRX on GDAX. VRX is one that experienced a little bump today because they're known to have a close relationship. Some of their people have relationships with people at Coinbase. So they started about 50 cents today. The announcement was made. ZRX shot up to 80 cents from 50 cents once the announcement was made about Coinbase, and then it shot back down. Now we're at like 61 cents or 67 cents. But yeah, it shot right up based off of the news because if you look at ZRX, they have some ties to Coinbase. But back here to the post. After evaluating factors such as liquidity, price stability, and other market health metrics, we may choose to add any ERC20 asset to GDAX to the Coinbase platform. It is also worth repeating that GDAX will likely have more assets listed on the platform than the Coinbase platform. Listing on GDAX does not guarantee listing on Coinbase. Additionally, like GDAX, support for ERC20 will also give us a path to enabling the safe recovery custom ERC20 assets inadvertently sent to Coinbase Ethereum addresses. Coinbase Commerce no planned ERC20 support at this time. Coinbase Commerce is like their PayPal, the PayPal of Coinbase. So they're basically, doing that to accept cryptocurrency like PayPal. So CoinDesk had an article on it today saying why Coinbase won't be adding any new cryptos anytime soon. And the reality is the reality of the regulatory situation keeps us from going and doing that right away. So obviously, it may be a few months before they're able to add ERC20 tokens, but they're just letting us know now that they will be adding ERC20 token support to Coinbase. It's something that they're looking at. So I would say, go through. We want to read this article as well. There's a lot of things that are going on in crypto with regulatory and getting things ready for institutional money that is going to take some time. But this is another step in proof that bigger money is coming. And more money is coming. So I would say to you guys, this is what I believe. It's just my opinion. I don't have all the answers. But just seeing these types of moves, adding ERC20 support to Coinbase, getting the other coins, these other tokens onto the, Walden chain. Some of these coins, like we said, the top 5, EOS, Tron, VeChain, Icon, getting those on there is going to be big. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for following New Crypto Coin. Let me know what you think about Coinbase adding ERC20 support and Ethereum tokens. Thank you guys for following New Crypto Coin. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. Guys, we really need the support. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, have a good one, guys. Let me know what videos you want to see. Thank you, guys. NewCryptoCoin.com on Twitter, NewCryptoCoin.com on Instagram, New Crypto Coin on YouTube. Thank you for your support, guys.